Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. As I say, they're going to be dailies for the next week or so probably to see what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to take a slow fly over, but I've got a little message for someone. Okay, I've been contacted by Carl, who wants to wish his wife Lynn a very happy birthday. Now, it's not a normal birthday request. This Lynn's been fighting cancer for the last 7 to 8 months. She had breast cancer, she had 2 surgeries, and she's had radiotherapy treatments as well. So Lynn, on behalf of me and everyone here who watches these videos, I'm sure they all wish you a very happy birthday. Carl's told me how special you are. Okay, so the least I can do is wish you a happy birthday. I hope everything's going well for you. I'm sure you're a fighter, so do me a favour and kick its ass for us all, okay? So Lynn, I just hope you have the best day ever, okay? I know it's hard, and it was heartbreaking to read what Carla put, to be honest, but I just hope and pray that everything's going your way. Happy birthday, Lynn. Right, we'll get on with the video. I'm also going to raffle off me seat as well. Okay, I've had loads of people messaging me saying can they have a seat, and the one I've got I'm going to raffle off. It's just a seat on its own. There's a picture of it on the screen now. I'll give the details of the raffle in a bit. I'm just going to have a look around first. Now, let's see what's going on with these. Pretty sure they're installing the glass. Yeah. Quite a bit going on outside today. Big blue cherry picker up. I can see people on the edge of the roof. And the big yellow crane's down, but that big orange one is reaching in. That might be doing a purlin for that corner, so I'll have a look at that in a minute as well. But people have been asking me to do the outside because I have neglected it because of so much going on inside. So does anyone know what's going to be going on here? Just wondering what that is. I have no idea, so if anyone can help me out, that'd be great. Oh, and these red things as well, the red piece, the red glass. So I asked if that was if that's some sort of film on the glass, but apparently there's something behind the glass, so it's like a covering it. So I'm assuming it's not glass you can look out of, is it? If there's something behind it. Because I thought it was a bit red to be seen out of it. That's all. So I didn't realise there was more to it. Well, that's me. Yeah, so the glass is almost done now along there. Have a little fly along. Looks like they're sorting the cladding out, doesn't it? On there. Okay. So let's see what that crane's reaching into. I'm going to stick into a faster mode a second so I can get around there faster. Okay, I didn't look at that other cherry picker today. That blended in well there. I couldn't see it from the ground. Right, what's going on here? Anyone know something to do with the bolts, is it? Can't really tell, guys. Right, let's see what's going on here. Right, there's cherry picker there with men on it. Okay. Got a new wall getting built there, or is that the old? Is that old? I don't know. Not noticed it before when the roof came out. I didn't see that. Someone up here. He's waiting for something, isn't he? There we go. No. I'm trying to find the end of this crane. No, I can't tell, guys. It's a very small screen, so it'll probably become more apparent when I get it on the computer for editing. I'm gonna. Oh, there's nothing in my way now around here, so I'll get a little bit higher and go over the ground now. And zoom right out. See where up to here. I want to get over the cop, well out the way. So anyway, yeah, the raffle. I'm going to raffle the seat off. So anyway, the raffle is going to be. I can't work out the way of paying it, so the only way I can sort out paying it is through PayPal. So I'm going to put my PayPal details on the screen. It's merseykickers@hotmail.com. It's the name of my old football team that I used to run. This is why I'm doing it, because I know how hard it is to run football teams. I ran them for about 5 years. I ran a club for about 5 years. It was my own club, it was my own idea. And I've done everything. I've done all the training, I've done all the treasury work, I've done all the meetings. I ran the club from top to bottom on my own, and it was really hard work. Raising funds was a nightmare, because I only charge £3 a week subs. So that was to make it affordable for parents and make sure kids turned up to football games. But it was hard work. It ended up costing me thousands in the end. But it was a thankless job, because you still got parents moaning, going, well, I've paid subs, where's this, where's that? You know, they don't realise that £3 is not enough anyway. It was £2 for referee fees. So there's an extra £1 going into the club, and I put on presentations where I spent anywhere between £2,000 and £3,000 on a presentation for their trophies, bouncy castles, football pitch hire, food, DJ. Yeah, it was an expensive gig. So people didn't realise it was come out. Most of it was coming out of my own pocket. So in the end, I couldn't afford it, and I had to pack it in. So this one doing this, so I'm raffling off this seat. It's going to be £2 a go, and pay through PayPal. Just leave your name, your full name, and where you're from, and I'll do a draw probably next week. Okay, so that's for everyone to have a go. If you want more than one go, say if you pay £4, your name will go in the hat twice. It's as simple as that. Okay, so there you go. If you want to go winning this seat, it's a little bit of memorabilia. It's a little bit cracked, but it's still a bit of memorabilia from the grounds. So if you want to go, £2 a go, and it's helping kid football. There you go. Right, let's see what's going on down here. Wow, look at all that's come out now. And another one on this is, it is going to be in 40 lifts, 40. So I know there's only like 14 pieces to come out there, but the guy who told me, he's been back in touch, said it is 40. So you've got the front and rear trusses, you've got all kinds of beams and everything to be cut, and in total there's going to be 40 pieces lifted out of there. Okay, so yeah, I do apologise for the misinformation, but yeah, it is 40 lifts, not 14. There is going to be 14 big ones, but there's also the rest to come out, so it's going to be 40 in total. A lot going on there. Let's get back out. Look how clear that picture's looking now. More seats, more scrap metal. Wouldn't mind a piece of metal. Steps, just little things. Those little things, that'd be nice. They're breaking up on this side as well. Must be a few bob and scrap metal. And another thing as well, the upper tier was not concrete, it was steel. Loads of people said. It's just that when you're up there, you'd assume you stand on concrete. And I've been sitting up there for years and didn't realise. Right. Let's see what's going on in this little corner of the spanner here. Can't tell what he's doing. Okay, don't know. But there's a hatch that size as well. Because them hatches have been getting weight on as well. Alright. We'll go over the side, we'll have a look over the main stand side now. Nice and green, isn't it? Cladding's come up even further there. So I reckon that all that cladding should be done by, I don't know, within the next week, won't it? Yeah, there doesn't seem to be much work going on outside. But again, I'm here. Yeah, it's about 10:30, yeah, so yeah, you know, it's just quiet. Right, so I seem to have covered a bit more. I'll do more around the Kenny side tomorrow on my next video. Okay, right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it really helps me out. You know, you're seeing how fast the channel is growing. I want to get to the 100,000 subscribers for the kids, simple as that. Someone asked me what a YouTube play button was. It's just like a little plaque that comes in a frame that I can hang in the kids' room. That's all it is. It's just say that you're it's got your channel name on and that you've reached 100,000 subscribers. That's all it is. The kids want it. Yeah. It's nothing special. It's just like a badge of honour, if you like, a YouTube badge of honour. Yeah. But apart from that, if you want to have a go the raffle to win the seat, all the details are on screen now of where to pay. £2 a go. Again, Lynn, happy birthday. Hope the recovery goes well. And for everyone else, thank you for watching. Keep yourself safe and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.